Hello everyone, welcome to our final presentation for ChargEVrywhere. My name is Jason Obricki. Here are the rest of my team. We have Jacob, Rindra, Allison, Sam, Tyler, and Brendan, and we all kind of split up the work. We kind of split up into two different components of the back end. We had our smart algorithm people, we had other people that were working on like more of time scheduling and the database stuff, and we had another group of people working on the front end, making sure the UI UX flow is designed well. And then later in this presentation, you'll see me, Jacob, and Tyler going through all the MVP features.
Now I'm going to display the MVP feature for driver map display filtering, which allows filtering based on charger type, cost to charge, and distance from current location, and also allows you to filter on host rating. Okay, now I'm going to display the filtering by closest charger feature. So right here, if we just decide to press this button right here, it will bring us to the closest charger to us. So right here, we see that charger. And now if we want to filter by other things, such as the charger type, the cost to charge, and the host rating, we can use these sliders. So let's say we want to have a charger that is 120 volts and is nothing to charge, and it has a minimum host rating of 4 stars. We can apply this, and all of a sudden this charger won't appear because it doesn't meet the requirement for price. If we readjust that filter, we'll now see that the charger reappears. Next, I'm going to be presenting our Smart Routing MVP feature. And what this does, when a driver searches in a location in the search bar to find a charger, then they'll be able to find the charger based on our smart algorithm, meaning the return chargers from their search will be based upon the filters of their importance, whether that be distance from search location, price, rating, or distance from that charger to their final location. Now, to use our smart routing feature, you press the button Smart Route. Then we're going to type in a location, which is our final location. And then we're going to choose a filter that we want to filter our smart routing algorithm by. Let's say we just want quickest to reach. We're going to press that and press Apply. And what's going to happen is it's going to show us the 3 chargers that match our smart route description the best. So we can press on any of the 3 and see the route. And if we want, we can press on View Details. And from here, we can even start our charging experience from pressing this button.
All right, so now I'm going to be showing you guys the driver notification of charge completed MVP feature. For this is when the driver ends the charging session with the charger and they click the end button or the time duration has been reached. Then the driver is notified that the charging session is over, along with the duration they spent at the charging session and the total cost of the charger. Let's say you found this charger and you want to charge at this station. You click Start Charge. Now you have to wait for the host to accept. Let's say the host accepts, you click refresh and you can move on to the next page. From there, you can start your charging and it'll update with the duration and cost. We just end charge here, move on to the next screen. This would be payment, and then ultimately here you can submit a review, but since this is a different feature, we'll just show the notification. When you click done, you are notified that you spent X amount of dollars and you charged for that much. So moving on to our next MVP feature is the host notification of charge completed. So you just saw that whenever the driver completes a charger that they get notified. We also want to notify the host that the charge has been completed as well. So if you can see, the actual description is when the driver completes charging, driver clicks end charge, then the host is notified with a notification that the charging is complete. So here you can see this is the home field. You go to the activity page, and then whenever you click refresh, you'll see all the different notifications of the charges that have taken place at your spot.
So our next MVP feature is a driver view of host information and additional photos when selecting a charger. So when a driver clicks on a charger that they want to go to, then the driver will be able to see any photos or information about that charger. Alright, so right now the map is zoomed in on our current location, and let's say I want to charge my car somewhere on North Campus. So this is the nearest available charger that I can see. So I'll click on the window, and now I'll be able to see a bunch of information about that charger, such as the address, charger type, price, and any reviews that other drivers have left about the charging location. If I want to see photos of the specific charger, I can just click on photos and it'll pop up any recent ones. Because this isn't a live charger, we just have some sample photos. All right, so our next feature is so that if you are in the host view of the app, you can view the ratings of drivers that have requested your charger. So when a host sees an incoming charger request, then they'll be able to see the driver's ratings and choose whether or not they want to accept or decline that request. All right, so right now we're on the driver setting of the app, but if we navigate to the host setting, you'll be able to see any requests that have come in for chargers that you currently have. So right now, Brandon Mayday has requested to use my charger, and if I want to learn more about this certain driver that's requesting, I can click on View Profile, and here it'll pull up Brandon's profile. We could see reviews that other hosts have left about Brandon that used when he used their chargers, and we could see his average rating. Mentally, I'm kind of filtering through, and I'm looking at all of his reviews are above 4 and 4.5 stars, so I think he's a good driver to have at my charging station, so I think I'm going to go ahead and accept him.